This is exactly what the FMS FCX10 needed, guys. A interior set for the K5 Blazer. It's a great looking rig. It's really well equipped, but when you look into the front window or through the sides, you see wires and stuff, and you don't want to see that in a scale looking machine. So it's really cool that they came out with this interior set. And if you catch it just right, I think right now in July 2024, depending on when you're watching this, they have this as a free with purchase of the truck, little bonus thing going on. So I'm gonna go rip this thing out of the package, show you what comes in the kit, install it in the truck. So if you weren't able to grab that deal but still want to get one of these interior sets for your K5 Blazer, if you pick one up, there is the part number information right there on the header card. And let's get into the bag now. So first up, we got some decals. Looks like you got your dashboard gauges, some vents. This looks like maybe some center console stuff. And then let's check out the interior itself. It's a nice molded Lexan piece, painted black, I think. I don't think it's molded in black. I don't know, it's got a matte finish to it, but this is nice and lightweight, so it's not going to add a lot to the rig itself, alter your handling, but got some pretty good detail in there. It definitely gives us the look of an interior, and again, definitely better than what the truck came with. There's some hardware to install that, and then finally we've got some extra detail parts. Looks like the driver figure and a steering wheel. So pop this open. There you go. There's your steering wheel. Basic, looks like you could probably go paint it if you want to, add some scale detail with paint. There's your shifter and the driver's head, which gets screwed onto the top of that interior. There's his yellow cap. That actually looks like it just fits right on, pressure fit. And the driver's head, dude looks amped out on Red Bull right now, but I'm gonna go get this thing assembled, install it in the truck so you guys can see how it looks. There's the interior installed and it's looking pretty good. A little dark in there with that black interior and the tinted windows, but the driver figure and just closed off interior looks much better than wires chilling out inside. Two tips that I have for you guys. One is I would two-side tape the hat on. When I went and installed everything, went to put the body on, just the clicking of the body going down on the body mounts, the hat popped off. So I had to go take everything apart and two-side tape the hat back on. And I noticed that the driver's head kind of wobbles around a little bit, so I added a washer underneath just to kind of stabilize things. But this thing is looking so much better. I'll have links for everything in the video description below.